So here we're adjusting Portia. She's 5 years old. And really, when we're checking children, same as checking everyone, really, it's about making sure that the nervous system is free from any interference and that the body is working at its best. So we look for any imbalances that there may be, as well as areas of stress through the nervous system. So here we can see that the leg lengths are out of balance, which generally indicates there's some stress or unevenness through here. And once we find the area of pressure, what we're looking for is to release that stress, release that pressure. We're not moving bones. We're not, doing any of those gory things you might have thought of or heard of in the past. It really is quite gentle. As you can see with Portia, she's quite relaxed. She's quite happy on the table. We often don't get any problems. The children, generally when they come in here, they actually race up to the table to jump on and go first. We just work on releasing that, and generally I like to use an adjusting device called an activator. Just delivers a very gentle, fast impulse. Often the children call it pop-pops. And so we'll adjust through here. Good girl, is that ticklish? Okay, and then we recheck to make sure, just relax darling, that's good, to make sure it's all nice and balanced. And we always look at the whole body to make sure that we release any area of stress that we can find. Good. How does that feel? Is that nice? Are you falling asleep down there? Nice and steady for me, darling. Okay, can you turn onto your back for me, please? Good girl. Okay, head straight. That's a girl. So then we look through and we check right the way through. Good. And this just helps to open up the lungs and get the immune system working better, because you're a little bit snuffly there today. Good. Just let your head drop. That's a good girl. Good. Just stretching out. How tall do you want to be? Do you want to be tall like Mummy? Okay. Good. And that's generally it.